Today, we're making shepherd's pie. This classic homestyle recipe is smooth, creamy, and so delicious. It's got everything to love from cheese, potatoes, to a meaty gravy inside. If you're looking for a cozy comfort meal to prep for dinner, then be sure to give this recipe a try. Each scoop is filled with flavor and heartwarming ingredients. This is a straightforward recipe with no fancy cooking, so let's get cooking. We'll take 2 pounds of peeled and chopped up russet potatoes and boil in water for 14 minutes. Then drain and add 5 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of half and half, then mash until smooth. One-quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix this all together on low heat until smooth and creamy. Once nice and smooth, we can set this aside. Then in a pot at medium-high heat, add 1 chopped yellow onion with some oil and brown it up for about 60 seconds. Then add 1 pound of ground beef and break it up to allow to cook. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary and 1 teaspoon of thyme and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Mix this all together and continue to break up the beef and allow to cook. Crush 2 garlic cloves, then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a dash of salt, and a dash of pepper. Mix this all together. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour, mix this all together as well. Then add 1 1/4 cup of mixed frozen veggies. I like to use the frozen peas, carrots mixture. Then we'll add 1 cup of beef broth and mix it. Also give this a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Give it all a final mix. We'll transfer this to a cast iron skillet and spread this evenly on the base. Then we'll carefully add our potato mash on top and spread to cover the entire top. In the background, we've preheated an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll allow this to cook in that oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes is up, we'll sprinkle some parmesan on top, and do a final broil on high for 3 to 5 minutes or until the cheese is browned and golden. Then remove and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes before scooping. And boom, you have a delicious shepherd's pie. Just look at that scoop. So hearty and so good. Each scoop has some mashed potatoes, meat, veggies, and a delicious gravy. This is a fantastic dinner option or meal prep as well. If you're looking for something that has a little bit of everything, then be sure to give this shepherd pie recipe a try. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.